Hello beautiful and amazing people, welcome back to another exciting video. It is me, your favorite baby girl, Royal Vivian. Guys, just watch this video carefully and then at the end of it, we'll analyze it together. I will give my own 2 cents contribution to this video. But just keep watching, concentrate on the video so that you understand what is really going on, so that when I start talking, you understand where I'm talking from. So keep watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and follow my page.
Positive. How did it even happen? I don't know how it happened. This is a very disappointing result. I don't even know what my hubby will say when I tell him. For now, I don't want pregnancy. This pregnancy is going to ruin a lot of things for me and the family. Let me go and tell Obi what the result is. Results now.
This is red. It's negative.
It's positive.
Positive.
I know. Anti-sweet.
According to positive.
If you've watched to this extent, thank you so much. You are the real MVP. Please don't forget to share and follow my page. Make una dey share my video now. I beg. For now, I make I beg, I go beg. Share my video.
But I just want to use this opportunity to address a lot of things concerning the pregnancy announcement video that I uploaded yesterday. I want to address this because it looks as if a lot of people are very insensitive. I made a pregnancy announcement. I told you that, guys, I was pregnant. I did a test. It proved I was pregnant. And a lot of you have already started insulting me. For what? Why are you insulting me and my husband and my family? Why? Did we collect your biscuits? What do we do to you? Particularly one comment yesterday. I saw a lot of other comments, though I did not read everything. And please, do not tell me not to address it. Do not tell me not to address it, because up until this moment, people are still writing nonsense on that video. I'm not saying you should not give your opinion. Of course, this place is open. The comment section is open for everybody to give their opinion. But where you leave your opinion to go for personal attacks, that is where it is wrong. You don't go to people's pages to attack them. You don't go to people's pages to insult them. There's this particular one yesterday. After yapping about everything that I was saying, he crowned it all that we are illiterate, that we cannot follow simple rules. Did he give us any rules and we did not follow it? Did we tell you that we are educated before? We didn't tell you that we are educated. So why are you getting yourself worked up over another person's wahala? What is your business? What is your business? If you don't have something nice to say, if you don't have something reasonable to say, the best thing you can do, if you've subscribed, you unsubscribe and go. Just unsubscribe and go. On this channel, I do things, I show my reality, things that happen in real life. You know, on social media, everybody is perfect. Everybody on social media is perfect. Nobody makes mistakes on social media. Nobody, everything works fine. If they give you a family plan, if they give you pills, everything just works perfect on social media. But social media is different from real life. It's not real life. Because in real life, these things doesn't work 100% the way that you claim that it does on social media. They don't work 100%. You don't even know what my doctor told me. You do not know what my doctor told me. You don't know the options that my doctor told me that was available for me. Do you think everybody has the same body as you? Do you think everybody's system is same as you? Do you think everybody is as perfect? Everybody's body, systems and the other things are perfect as yours. So why should you judge me based on your own experience? Do you know the things I've done to make sure that I don't get pregnant? Do you know? And another person was saying that, hey, if you don't want to get pregnant, why are you having sex? Am I not married? Am I not entitled to it? So I should not do it because I don't want to get pregnant. I shouldn't do it. On social media, your lives are perfect. Your lives are the best. But when you go to when you close your phone, like when you press your phone finish, like when you run your fingers finish, you close your phone, you face reality.
Guys, you see the video that you just watched? I said I will talk on this matter. I decided to talk on, I know they talk on people matter, but you see this one, people on YouTube, I know they talk about their matter, they mind my business, but this one really touched me. So I said, let me talk about it. this lady Ify'S word. I watch all her video. I follow her. I'm a subscriber. I've been following her for a very long time. Although sometimes I don't comment, I don't get to comment. Sometimes no busyness and all of that. But I don't miss any of her video. So she posted 2 days ago that she was pregnant. That she did a live pregnancy test. That she was pregnant and the husband's reaction and all of that. And on that video, I did not see where she wrote, please guys, I need your advice or advise me. She only did a live pregnancy test and then she just said the husband's reaction. That was what the title of the video. And people started commenting, hey, bonbon, this one, that one. She's a married woman, for God's sake. And she's a grown woman. She did not ask for people's advice. I don't know. It's only on social media you will see a single lady will be advising a married woman. It's only on social media you will see somebody that does not even have a child. He never born before. You go to advise person when you get children. Okay, you guys think that it's everything that happens in our homes that we just put out there? No. It is not even up to 10% of what we put out there. Because the way people, the way they talk, the way they comment as if they are the one to dictate what happens in people's home. It's very, very, somehow. Sometimes I just look at some comment and I will laugh. She did not ask for anybody's advice. She did not put it there that, please, people should advise me on what to do. She only did a live pregnancy test and people are doing it. She's not the first person. So if you don't know what to comment, you should have just watched that video and passed. But no, they will not pass. They will start commenting, started insulting the poor lady. What did she do? She's a married woman. They can decide, she and the husband, they can decide to have as many kids as they want. She does not come online to come and beg people for money, say support me or my children are hungry. No. She has not come to tell you that the husband cannot take care of them or they want people to donate for them to pay for their rentage. No. They are doing well for themselves. They can take care of their kids. So why do you think that you will be the one to advise her? So we're even saying, if you don't want born again, then close your legs. She's a married woman. I don't know. People for online, I don't just understand. I said it before in one of my videos. I said that frustration, because you hardly see people abroad commenting all those kind of leaving all those kind of comments. I know they do, but it's not much as those people in Africa or Nigeria. Let me just put it Nigeria. Whether the frustration of Tinubu government or the, I don't know. They will just come without their frustration. They will come and put that frustration on people on social media. Instead of you to comment that kind of comment, why not you just watch the video or just leave the video, don't watch and pass. If you think that the video is annoying you, just pass it and leave it. Instead of you to come and be insulting the person for not just reason because she said she was pregnant. You people, you heard that they were taking family planning. My mom was on family planning for years. The first time it was after, I think after 4 years she was on family planning and that one failed. She had my little sister. Then after we were calling her last born already, my little sister. She was already our last born. Everybody knows her as last born. After 9 years, my mom was on family planning because I have an idea of these things. It happens. My mom was on family planning and then she got pregnant for our last born. The one that I will not call our last born now. That was after 9 years. My mom already stopped giving birth. After 9 years, she gave birth to another baby. That's why she's small now. She's 16. Because when people see us, they will say, your man nicely born this one. Some people will be thinking that maybe she's my daughter. So she was on family planning and it failed. Family planning can fail. It's not 100%. My gynecologist told me before, he said, family planning is not 100%. It only helps. It only prevents, but it is not 100% that you will not get pregnant. and she said her own failed too. She does not even owe anybody any explanation. She does not owe you any explanation. You might be a subscriber, fine, but she does not owe you any explanation because she's a married woman. She has her husband is the only person that can decide on what to do and what not to do. Not you, that is just there watching. Your own job there is just to watch. And then you are not giving advice saying that in this modern age, some even said they are illiterate. I was looking at some of the comments and it was so annoying. What you not concern you, Pele no will not be your own. Woman, wife no will not be your own. A woman will not be your brother marry, even if your brother even marry, not get sick. Not be you carry the belly, not be you get the belly. So I don't just know when my frustration they cause all these things for their body. I don't know. No, we still try to use our sense. For the fact that you have data does not mean that you should not know what to do again. That data, you can use it for more better things. More better things. Instead of you to be using it to insult people. So people just, I've seen somebody that said, that left a comment on Instagram on one post like that, that they purposely they buy data just to insult all these people when no one gets sense. What you go concern you? That money which they buy data, so you know it's a to better thing. Some even beg money to buy data so that they will come and insult another person. Now what for now? The thing they shock me, past shock self. What is no concern now? I'll just carry on for head. Carry on like say, it is well.